Question 2 is examine whether the following statements are true or false. In that first part is see, this set is given a comma b and it is given that it is not a subset of b, c, a. So here if you observe, both the elements are there in the second set, isn't it? So it should be a subset of this set, but it is given that it is not a subset. So this statement is false, isn't it? This statement false. Now second example, a comma e is given and it is a subset of x is a vowel of English alphabet. Now we know x, this is in set builder form. If you write all the vowels a, e, I, o, u, so a comma e belongs to this set, isn't it? So this is a subset and subset only given, so that is true. Now here also see 1, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 5. Since 1 belongs to this set, is there in this set also. 3 is also, are both this in both the set. But what about 2? Isn't it? So 2 does not contain, this set does not contain this 2 element. So it should not be a subset. But what is given? It is a subset. That means false statement is given to us. This is false. Okay. Now here this one, see, A belongs to this subset of this set. Yes, because this element is in both the set. So yes, it is subset and subset given also. So true. Now consider the next one. This belongs to A, B, C. Now here this singleton set belongs to this set. No, here elements are there. Okay. Suppose if it would have written as like this, that time we can say yes, this element this set belongs to this set. But here it is not written. Okay. So what we can say, it is a false statement. It does not belong to the set, but it is given that belongs to. So this is false. Now last one is x is even natural number less than 6. So what all elements will come in this? Even natural number 2, 4. Less than 6, so only 2, 4 will come, isn't it? Now x is natural number divides 36. So 1 will come, 2 will come, 3, 4, then 6 also, and 9 also, 12 also, isn't it? But we got 2 and 4 which are there in first set. That means it must be a subset of this set and it is already given. So a statement is true. Okay, so last answer is also true.